Unlocking the power of incredible in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a word that you often hear and see in English, incredible. Whether in movies, books, or in everyday conversations, incredible is a word that packs a punch. It's a word that conveys amazement and admiration, and it's one that can really light up a sentence. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of incredible and unlock its full potential to make your English more expressive. Incredible is an adjective, and in the simplest terms, it describes something so extraordinary that it's hard to believe. The root of the word comes from Latin, where cred means believe. So, with the prefix in, which means not incredible, literally means not believable, due to being so extraordinary or amazing. But don't let that literal meaning fool you. When we say something is incredible, we're not always doubting it. We're usually expressing that it's amazingly good or impressive. For instance, when we say, the magician's performance was incredible, we're saying it was so good that it's hard to believe how amazing it was. Not that we actually don't believe it happened. Let's see how incredible fits into some sentences. I had an incredible experience watching the Northern Lights. She has an incredible talent for painting. The news reported an incredible story of survival. Notice how incredible enhances the sentence by adding a layer of wonder or remarkability to the experience, talent, or story. There are many synonyms for incredible, but each carries a slightly different nuance. Some of these include amazing, astonishing, fantastic, unbelievable, extraordinary, marvelous. Using synonyms can add variety to your speech or writing and help you convey precisely the shade of meaning you want to express. Incredible is versatile and can be used in various contexts. For a positive connotation, you could say, the chef's new recipe is incredible, suggesting it's exceptionally good. On the flip side, for a negative connotation, you might say, it's incredible that he's late again, implying that it's astonishingly bad that someone is repeatedly late. Moreover, incredible is often used to express skepticism in a statement like, he ate 10 burgers? That's incredible. Here, you're indicating that it's hard to believe someone could do that. There are some common phrases and collocations that use incredible, such as incredible speed, incredible strength, incredible opportunity, incredible journey. These phrases combine incredible with nouns to highlight the extraordinary nature of the subject. And that's a wrap on incredible. I hope you found this video incredible. It's a wonderful word that can add excitement and depth to your descriptions in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using incredible in your own sentences and see how it transforms your communication. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next video.